Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study Social Science Class 9 Chapter 1 Rise of British Rules in India. Who discovered the sea route to India? Vasco da Gama. During whose tenure in India Public Works Department established? Dalhousie. Who came first as Governor General in India? Warren Hastings. With whom did Britishers fight Third Mysore War? Tipu Sultan. Which country became famous for the place Istanbul? Turkestan. In which year did Turkish Muslims win Constantinople? 1453 AD. Which event of which place is considered important for an era of geographical discoveries began? Mozambique. One of the following reasons is not included in reasons of arrival of foreign tribes in India. Demand of Indian species muslin cloth. King Prince Henry, Portugal. Christopher Columbus was from Italy. With the economic assistance from the King of Spain, Christopher Columbus began his adventure of discovering a new sea route. Who discovered the Cape of Good Hope? Bartholomew Diaz. By arriving at which island in Atlantic Ocean in 1492, the adventure voyage of Columbus stopped? West Indies. By which name the region that was really clarified by discover Amerigo Vespucci is known? America. Who discovered the sea route to India in 1498 AD? Vasco da Gama. With the help of Indian sailor Vasco da Gama reached Port Calicut at which coast of India? West Coast. In whose state did Vasco da Gama get permission to do business by getting welcome? King Zamorin. One pair is not correct and that is Alexandria, Iran. Which European tribe was first to do business in India? Portuguese. The businessmen of which country established East India Company to do business with India? England. In 1600 AD, the Queen Elizabeth of which country gave permit to do business with East Indian companies to East India Company? England. At which place of India, under the leadership of Captain William Hawkins, first ship of East India Company arrived in 1608 AD? Surat. Which place was established as main center in India of East India Company in 1687 AD? Mumbai. East India Company got the permission from the Mughal Emperor Jahangir and British East India Company established its first trade center in Surat. Which European tribe among European tribes remained constantly busy establishing their rule in the entire world and conquering more lands in the 18th century? Britishers and French. The French East India Company arrived in India for trade in 1668 AD. Which arrangement about trade centers established by European tribes in India is correct? Britishers, Surat, Ahmedabad, St. George, Fort William. What would have happened if conspiracy of Robert Clive would have been unsuccessful in Battle of Plassey? Which policy was adopted by Britishers to increase their trade in India after the Battle of Plassey and Buxar? The policy to make England richer at the cost of India. When did British government pass Regulating Act? in 1773 AD. By what name the war fought with Hyder Ali of Mysore in the time of Warren Hastings is known? Second Mysore War. Hastings fought with Nepal and included Gurkhas in army. When did company attack on Mysore having cooperation of Nizam? 1799 AD. Who became famous as the Liberal Governor General in India? William Banting. Which Governor General established supreme power of company by doing Third Maratha War? Hastings. Which policy did Dalhousie adopt to expand the state area? Expansion, annexation and imperialism. King dies without heir. The state that Dalhousie joined in his territory, one is not included in it, Pegu region. By which policy did Dalhousie annex Punjab and Pegu? By war annexed. By which policy did Dalhousie annex Karnataka and Tanjore? Annexed to end a namesake rule. By which region was annexed by Dalhousie under the pretext of debt collection? Nizam's Warad region. Which state was annexed by Dalhousie under the pretext of mismanagement? Awadh. In the time of Dalhousie, the first railway line started in India between Mumbai and Thane in 1853 AD. The unfair revenue collection policy of the company made the Indian peasants a debtor. During British administration, the spirit of freedom of speech and thought developed among people due to the development of newspapers. During British administration, some social evils were prevalent in Indian society. In some regions, one is not included in it. Monogamy. By whose efforts did English education start in India? Macaulay. By whose recommendation universities were established in Mumbai, Madras and Kolkata? Charles Wood. Who is considered to be the first Englishman to step his feet on the land of India? William Hawkins was the first English captain to step his feet on the land of India. He had obtained the permission to do business at Surat from Mughal King Jahangir. At which place in India did British East India Company establish the trade centers to do business? Trade centers were established at Surat, Bharuch, Ahmedabad, Machilipatnam, St. George, Fort William. Mumbai was established as their headquarters in 1687 AD. Which problems of East India Company increased in the time of Warren Hastings? In the time of Warren Hastings, company waged war with Marathas and first Maratha war was waged. While they did second Mysore war with Hyder Ali of Mysore. Facing this both powers simultaneously, the problems of East India Company increased. How did company face Tipu Sultan, popular as Tiger of Mysore, to accept the treaty in the times of Cornwallis? Company took the help of Maratha and Nizam to defeat the Tiger of Mysore. Combined forces of these three fought with Tipu Sultan, but Tipu Sultan could not win. Thus, due to Third Mysore War, Tipu Sultan had to accept the treaty. Between which countries strong competition was on when Wellesley came to India, who became successful in it. When Wellesley came to India, a strong competition was going on between England and France. After 3 Carnatic wars, Britishers became supreme power. Today, if foreign companies come to do business in India, they can be ruling authority. If today foreign companies come to do business, they can't be ruling authority, because India is free from foreign system. It is not possible as India being republic independent nation. Which states and rulers were included in Wellesley's subsidiary alliance system? According to terms of Wellesley's subsidiary alliance system, states who accepted this system were Nizam, Mysore, Awadh, Gaikwad, Scindia, Bhosle and Holkar. Why did Nizam first of all accept Wellesley's subsidiary alliance system? Waging war with Marathas, Nizam had to bear heavy losses, so he first of all accepted this system. Amerigo Vespucci was a native of Italy. Dutch people established their trade center at Agra in India in 1663 AD. Laze's ground is in the state of West Bengal. Tipu Sultan was known as Tiger of Mysore in the time of Cornwallis. Mysore War, Tipu Sultan died against the war of Britishers. Fourth War. Bartholomew Dias discovered headland named Cape of Good Hope. With the economic assistance from the King of Spain, Christopher Columbus began his adventure of discovering new sea route to India. Columbus had actually discovered a new land. This clarification was made by Amerigo Vespucci. This new land began to be known as America. Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India in 1498 AD. Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in the western coast of India with the help of Indian sailors. The Portuguese were the first to arrive in India for trade after the discovery of the sea route to India. There were Mysore wars fought between British East India Company and French East India Company. On the pretext that the Nawab is unnecessarily harassing the people, a war was declared at a ground near a village named Plassey. The battlefield of Plassey is situated 38 km from Murshidabad. Company got Diwani rights of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa after the Battle of Buxar. British government passed Regulating Act in 1773 AD. Warren Hastings became the first Governor General of India. In the time of Cornwallis, Tipu Sultan was known as Tiger of Mysore and Third Mysore War was done with Tipu Sultan. Dalhousie annexed Awadh under the pretext of mismanagement. Nizam's Warat province was annexed on the pretext of debt collection. After dual power policy, Bengal's economic glitter was faded. The Public Works Department was founded in India in the time of Dalhousie. English education began to be imparted in India due to endeavours of Lord Macaulay. As recommended by Charles Wood, universities were established in Mumbai, Madras and Kolkata.